how to make my baby clothing cupcakes. This is what we're aiming for at the end. I've just got a normal cupcake box. With mine, what I've done is actually cut a heart and decorated it up, but obviously you don't need to do that with yours. So in order to make the cupcakes, what we're going to need is one baby vest and a pair of socks. Now, one baby vest and one sock will make one cupcake. You're then going to need just a cupcake holder, and obviously I've got the box, which, like I say, I cut a hole in the top. You can actually buy them with the tops already cut out. In order to hold the whole thing together, I just use a small elastic, which I don't know if you remember when loom bands were really popular. So these are leftover loom bands, which are really handy for sort of doing this, and then just the decoration at the end. Now, I find it easier with the suit to have it facing upwards with the poppers undone. Okay, so if you then just fold in the one side, the same with the other, doesn't have to be perfect. And then what you're going to do is just fold those two towards each other. Okay, now I prefer to flip it over that way, perhaps because I'm left-handed, I'm not sure. So you need to start off at the thin end. Try to make a sort of a point at the top where it's going to be the centre of your cupcake, and then what you're going to do is just keep turning, obviously trying to make it as layered as you possibly can. It helps to have this side a little bit higher, that side a little bit lower, and then as you can see, you get the shape just sort of comes automatically. So keep going round. Like I say, just trying to keep that shape looking as much like a cupcake as you can. Okay, so then when you get to the end, just hold that there. The bottom don't really matter because, like I say, you're going to have the sock over there and in the cupcake holder anyway. The loom bands are quite stretchy, which is handy. So there's the base of your cupcake. Now you get your one sock. If you can get them with a friller on the top, all the better, because obviously it looks more like icing on a cake. This can be a bit tricky putting the sock on, but don't worry. So just force that in there first of all. And with these suits, if you do fold it the first time and you find it's not very good, obviously you haven't lost anything, just unfold it and start again. Okay. So there we are. Now, what you're going to have to try and do is get this looking. Now, it depends how sort of fussy you are. I always try to sort of get the edge with the frill sticking upwards, because then it looks, like I say, it looks more like icing. Doesn't have to be perfect, but like I say, just the more time you spend on it, the better it will sort of look. A little bit of patience maybe, and then just try and stand those edges. You can take obviously a little bit more time, and then once you just got to try and make sure that it sort of stands out. Okay, once you've then put that in the cupcake, you can sort of manipulate it around, like I say, if you don't like the look, undo it, start again, you've lost nothing. And then to decorate the top, you could just use just a little stone, which looks nice. What I've actually got here is, this is just some leftover holly from Christmas, bought with obviously the leaves, but I've kept the holly aside. I've cut off one of the pieces of holly. I've got a sticky foam pad. Just pop that on the top of there and into there, and obviously that looks like a little cherry which can just come off. It doesn't, the sticky pad don't sort of do anything to the suit. Pop that in there, and like I say, you do the four the same. You can do them with long sleeve vests, just the same. You just fold the sleeves in. Do the 4, decorate the box up as you wish, and we've got a lovely baby gift, a baby birth, maybe a christening, baby shower. It makes a lovely gift. Thanks for watching me today, and I hope to come back with something different next time. Thank you.